Modern warfare demonstrates unprecedented speed of technological change, with unmanned systems playing a key role. The revolution that began with the widespread use of unmanned aerial vehicles, which changed the nature of air and ground combat, is now spreading to the ground. Ground-based robotic systems, once considered merely experimental concepts, have become practical tools that determine the course of combat operations and minimize risks to personnel. For Ukraine, which is engaged in intense trench warfare, the introduction of an in-desk robotics complex is not just a matter of following global trends, but a strategic necessity. Global armies, including NATO countries, are already actively investing in robotic platforms. Why is UGV important and should be developed? Preserving the lives and health of military personnel. The main advantage and most important reason why UGVs are needed in modern warfare is their ability to transfer the most dangerous tasks to unmanned vehicles, minimizing human involvement. The main tasks that an in-desk robotic system can perform. Evacuation, which is perhaps one of the most important tasks at the moment. Evacuation of the wounded and dead from the battlefield. In the harsh conditions of the front line, every second is precious, and medics who save lives are themselves exposed to mortal danger. The use of robotic platforms for evacuation allows this process to be carried out remotely, from a safe distance, significantly reducing losses among medical personnel and increasing the chances of survival for the wounded. Reconnaissance/combat support. UAVs are capable of both carrying out combat operations directly, which is achieved by installing combat equipment on drones, and mining, as well as, equally importantly, providing logistical support, delivering ammunition, supplies, and more. Ukraine is moving towards the implementation of UAVs at the state level, with more and more brigades/units aiming to preserve the lives of personnel and distribute resources as effectively as possible. The Kraken Active Operations Unit is no exception to this trend. On the contrary, we have long understood the challenges of modern warfare and how it is changing. The main thing we need to understand is that any technology requires time and resources, so we need to develop and establish ourselves in this direction as quickly and efficiently as possible, and then move on to other, as yet undeveloped technologies, because as practice shows, the Russians find and scale our ideas and developments, forcing us to counter our own ideas by looking for options for a new, technological way to destroy the enemy. Currently, the Kraken Active Operations Unit is raising funds to purchase 4 in-desk robotics complex Lynx units for a total of 3.2 million hryvnia. Help innovation reach the front lines. Glory to Ukraine!